Using an image slider in your content is easy enough. There's a couple of templates set up for it to get you along the way. So what we're going to do is we can edit this page here, and I'm going to add a slider above the content here that's already in there. So I'm going to click that button there. It creates a new space then above it. I'm going to click templates, and I'm going to scroll down to sliders. You'll notice there's two different sliders. The first one is just a standard slider that you can use to slide content with. The second one is handy enough for using images. It allows you to display the image with an overlay that, with a title, a caption overlay. So you're going to click on that one to populate the page with default content. You see I add 3 sliders by default. There's my 3 images, and caption is from this side. It's overlaid on top of each other. Unfortunately, there's not much we can do about that. Now, first thing is you want your images to be roughly the same size, the height and the width, so that they display properly on your front end. Okay, so let's replace our images here. Click the image you want to replace. Click your image icon. Browse the server. And we're going to upload images here. Let's create a new folder just for the luck of it, the hell of it. New subfolder, and we call it test slider, so we know where we're at. And okay, folder is created. We click the folder to change to it, and click upload to upload our images. This is now our desktop. We go and find the images. There I have 3 images there that looks all the same, and upload all 3 of them at once. There we go. Now we change the first one, double click the first one, and the image is there. To change your alternative text to whatever you like it to be, and say OK. And the same for the second image. Click browse, get the test slider to the image 2, and OK, and the same for image 3. Click image, browse, go to our subfolder, and get image 3. Now there's my 3 sliders. The next thing we want to do is we want to change or update the overlay. For that we'll have to change over to the source code, and this is where things could get tricky if you have a huge number of slides. Let's see, there's my image slider, image 1, div overlay, go to page 5 and change the overlay. That's the overlay, say image 1. And the second one, go change it to image 2. This is obviously relevant information you're going to put in there, not like my image slider 1, 2, 3, image 3. Okay, now next thing here, if you want to add another slider in there, 4th image in there, what you need to do is, you'll notice that, or you'll have to look closely and see, start with the top. That's my row and my 12 columns that defaults my layout. This slider here, see there it starts and there it ends, is the slider itself. See it's the class is all carousel, no nav. And then the next divs is each one for the slider. That's my first image, the image is in there, and my overlay, second image and third image. Now to make things easy here, I'm just going to copy and paste my third slider, Control C, change the last position, and Control V, and we make this slider 4. We can change the image to slider 2 for argument's sake, and we change the overlay to image overlay 4. Okay, and we can scroll down and update. And the way it's going to look is like this. Change to the page. Just to reload this page here. Okay, there we go. It's my 12 columns, the original data that was in there, and the image added above it. And it slides automatically. It's also slidable by dragging it. Okay, and that's about it. Thank you.